Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. So dear students, here we are having an update for you from the IIT Roper. If you want to apply there for the master's course MTech, then you can apply here. Form filling is already started. What you need to do, you need to visit the official website, and once you will go here, you can see, okay, you can see the specialization is available, and the form filling is already started from the 26th March up to the 15th April. You can fill the form. You can go for the details also here. Okay, what you need to do, you need to visit the official website, and here you can see the programs which they are offering. MTech in AI, take a chemical engineering, civil engineering, they mention here the specialization as well. CS also electrical engineering, they mention the specialization. What you need to do, you need to click here for the advertisement. The advertisement will be open here where they mention all the details. Okay, what is the gate score required, what is the gate paper code required, everything they mention here. And even once you will click here to apply, if you want to apply, you need to click here to apply, and it will be automatically redirect you to the form where you need to follow the steps and you can go for the apply. Okay, and you can go for the mechanical engineering, material engineering, like this you can go for, dear students. Okay, they mention here electrical, mechanical, materials, autonomous, and here they mention about the revised number of seats in the CS. So they mention here the revised seat in the CS is existing seats are 20, they revise it 40. In the similarly in the AI they increase it also. Okay, and similarly if you want to go for the brochure, you can download the brochure from here. Once you will click here, I think this brochure will be open. This something like this brochure will be open. So this brochure will be open, you can go for it, you can check here more details, which specialization you want, what is the application fees, every detail is mentioned here. All right, thank you.